Now I'll show you how to take a screenshot and how to record your screen in a Windows OS without installing any app. First, let us click the Windows button, and then let's look for the Xbox game bar. So let's click the Xbox game bar, and then the pop-up will show, and then click the capture button, and then another pop-up will show. If you want to take a screenshot, you just click this button. So the screenshot is already taken. And then if you want to record your screen, you just click this button. To include audio, you turn on the microphone. So here the microphone is turned on. If you don't want to include audio, you turn off the microphone. Okay, so let's start recording. So the recording is already beginning. And then if you are done, you just click stop. And then it will be automatically saved in your computer. That's it. Thank you.